बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। Women have always been known for its nurturance, strength, power, love, care, softness, kindness, compassion, supportiveness, sweetness, cooperativeness, and expressiveness. Women has modesty, honesty, empathy, full of emotions, devotion, and a complete structure of understanding and sacrificing, with full of affection, warmth, gentleness. Dear all, today on Women's Day, a special tribute to every woman. This calendar, I'm sure, very unique calendar 2021 for you all. This calendar defines the different stages of women's life. Not only this, there are some brutal people in the society, I'm very sorry to say, who have ruined the innocence of the women. So, special appeal for few such elements that should be totally prohibited. And in this calendar, it has been symbolized by a big no. Here presents a special and unique calendar 2021 dedicated to every woman. I'm proud of being a woman, and I'm sure every woman will say, I'm proud of myself. Today is 8th March, so this calendar starts from March specially. मेरे घर आए एक नन्ही परी. So the girl enters into a home as if a pari has come. Love, full of love. Special appeal, keep noticing. Save girl child, educate girl child. Girl turned into a teenager has a special role as a beloved daughter and sister. Again, the stage comes. No means no. When a lady says no, it means no. As a different role, women now ready to tie a knot, grown with the time, with a soulmate. Very loving, affectionate, caring, responsible for the family, but a message specialist for please say no to dowry. Entering into the time period where there is a motherhood journey for a woman as a progeny needs special care, attention, a special precious moment of women's life. No prenatal sex determination. The biggest gift of women's life, the most precious stage, the turmoil in life, second birth to a woman, being a mother now. There is a saying that as God cannot come on his own, so he has created mothers. I'm listening this sentence from so many years from my very, very special mentor, respected sir, very special regards to you. Today I'm using this line, which is your very favorite. As God cannot come on his own, so he has created mothers. But my request to all mothers, treat girl and boy equal. A different role as a wife, a true compassion, very loving, caring, understanding, but still suffering. So, no abuse, no physical violence. As a daughter in law, we used to say, हमारे घर लक्ष्मी आई है. Accept the Lakshmi with full of love. Woman is nowadays a hardcore professional, a dedicated worker who is trying very hard to fit a balance between a professional and personal life. Give recognition and respect them. घर में आई Lakshmi is now turned into a mother-in-law, a mother of new Lakshmi. So, special request when you yourself are mother-in-law, be loving and caring to your new Lakshmis. Time passes on and passes on. Every woman passes through a role as a grandmother, affectionate and pious, religious, always chanting mantras, praying for families' health and human beings and full society, and fully dedicated to God. So, all grandmothers, be calm and God loving and support your families. So, here ends till December. A very special happy Women's Day to all. I'm proud to be a woman, and I'm very sure every woman will say I'm proud of myself. So, hoping this calendar will be liked by every one of you. My special request to every woman that please be careful, take care of yourself. I know you love your families, keep loving them, keep being full with them, but please take care of yourself. You're equally important. Keep loving yourself with your family, pamper yourself, and stay tuned to my channel, Kulvinder Pharma Vision, for your success, my mission. Share, like, and subscribe this video and stay tuned for my next video very soon. Goodbye, friends, dear colleagues, and my respected mentors.